Imagine you are cruising on a long road trip, resting your foot and letting the car do the work, when suddenly the cruise control disengages on its own or refuses to set a speed. That is incredibly frustrating, right? If your scanner is showing you code P0591, we are looking at a cruise control multifunction input B circuit range or performance issue. While that sounds like a computer glitch, it is often something much simpler and more physical. This code basically says that the engine computer is receiving a confusing signal from the cruise control buttons, usually located right there on your steering wheel. It is expecting a specific voltage signal when you press a button, but it is getting something wild or nothing at all. This applies to many vehicles like Jeep, Ford, Dodge, and Nissan. The letter B in the code just refers to a specific circuit or wire group, which helps you narrow it down if you have a wiring diagram. Now, before you start tearing apart the dashboard, let us look at the most common culprit: dirt, grime, and spilled coffee. Because these buttons are on the steering wheel, they catch everything. If a button gets sticky or clogged with debris, it sends a constant or erratic signal that confuses the computer. The computer thinks, I do not understand what the driver wants, so for safety, I'm shutting the cruise control down. That's why you might see the cruise lights stay on or the system just won't engage. The fix might be as simple as getting some electrical contact cleaner and carefully cleaning the switches. Do not soak it, just clean the crevices. If the buttons feel crisp and clicky, the next suspect is the clock spring behind the steering wheel or the wiring running down the column. These wires flex every time you turn the wheel, so they can wear out or chafe over time. This is generally a low-severity code. It won't hurt your engine or leave you stranded, but it sure is annoying. Troubleshooting starts with a visual inspection. Look for damage on the steering column plastic or signs of liquid entry. If you have a scanner that can read live data, you can actually watch the button signals on the screen as you press them. If the computer does not see the change when you click Set or Resume, you know the signal is getting lost somewhere between your thumb and the computer. Do not jump to replacing the engine computer, which is a rare cost. Start with the buttons and the wiring. It's usually a cheap fix for a major convenience.